Good morning everyone. So as you know, like you have French grammar here. We are going to do one topic of class 8th, or it can be of any class related to French grammar. This topic is imperatives. So I'm going to explain this topic here, and what you will learn to order, command, or to request whenever you are being polite, how to say something politely whenever you want someone to do something for you, okay? And whenever you are giving the suggestions, advices, how to do that. We are going to learn this in imperatives. In French we call it impératif, l'impératif. It is used to give order, command, and for the politeness. It is used for the advices and the suggestions. So we'll see it, how do we frame sentences in French for the same. But before that we have to see one thing. Like in English language, whenever you are giving any order or the command to anyone, so like what subjects we can use, for whom we can give these orders, we have to check that. Suppose if I say like close the gate, open the window, bring some water for me. So whenever you are saying these sentences or you are giving these orders, then you are giving these orders to someone else. Like we are not giving to orders to self. Like I cannot give order to myself, okay? So whenever it comes for the second person, and it can come for first person plural also. How? Like we can give suggestions like let's play cricket, where the speaker is also included, okay? First thing, we can use it for the second person, like for you. Like whenever someone is in front of you, you can say you open the gate, like that we say na. So open the gate, we can say that way. Suppose the speaker also want to do something, like I am there and I am telling to my friends like let's play cricket, so it means I am also going to play cricket. It is like that, okay? So like let's do this, let's go there. This way we can use. And whenever we are using let's form, it means we are using the speaker also. Speaker is also going to do that task. So let's see how it is in French, what comes there in French. So in French, first thing, as you have already seen it, we use it for order, command, okay? For the politeness, for the request we can use it. To suggest something we can use it. Whenever we are giving, okay, any suggestions or advices, we can always use it like that. And whenever we are framing any sentence, it is a must that you put exclamation mark in the end. Imperatives, like when you say get out, so always put imperative. Like don't do this, always put imperative in the end of the sentence, okay? So exclamation mark is a must, we have to put it in the sentence. It should always be there. Suppose in French you have all these pronouns, subject pronouns, these are there. Like je is there, can you give order to je? No, you cannot give to myself, so it becomes wrong. For tu we can give, like tu, we have singular form for you. Here in formal form we can give this order. For ill we cannot give, like he or she who is not here, third person singular, we cannot give order to them. For nu, like as I gave example, like we can say like let's watch a movie, let's go to cinema. So we can take nu form here. And vous, like plural form of you, formal form also we can say in French. So we can use these three forms. And for il in plural form, third person plural, we cannot use it. So how many subjects we get? We get tu, we get nu, we get vous. These three subjects can be used for framing sentences. Let's see how to form. Suppose you have one sentence, tu parles français, tu parles français. Second sentence, for tu, as an example, we have tu finis tes devoirs. Tu finis tes devoirs, you finish your homework. So let's see this. Let's break it down here. First of all, we can see this, like whenever we are framing such sentences, we never use subject, okay? How we don't use subject? Like whenever you are giving any order, like do your homework, okay, help me, so you don't use subject pronoun, so we will remove it. we'll remove it. It is removed now. Now what to do? Now we have the remaining sentence here, like finite devoir, finite devoir. So we'll copy the sentence here and we'll write this finite devoir like this. Okay, so it is done. It is that easy. It is super easy topic. In French, it is one of the easiest topics. Whenever we understand the steps, we can easily do it. Suppose we have one more sentence here for vous, for subject vous. Vous mangez des fruits. Vous mangez des fruits. What to do with vous mangez des fruits? We can take it like first remove subject pronoun from here, removed. Now you write the sentence as it is, manger des fruits. Okay, manger des fruits. Like this we can do. And next sentence we have nous regardons le film. Nous regardons le film. Sentence is saying we watch the movie. We watch the film, we watch the movie. So now it becomes regardons le film. Regardons le film. Like let's watch movie. Let's watch. So I hope till here it is clear. Like what we are doing, we are removing the subject pronouns and we are writing the sentence. But here as I left this sentence earlier, why I left it? Because we have to learn one rule here. Whenever er ending verb is there and we have to frame sentence for tu. Like for tu we have to make imperative sentence for singular person we are using, and er verb is used in the sentence, then we have to drop or remove s. We have to remove s. So as we remove tu, we write parle here, we drop s, then we can write the remaining part, parle français, like speak French. This is how we do it. So the easiest part about imperatives is that first you remove the subject pronoun, then copy the sentence as it is and put exclamation mark in the end. And one more thing which is very important, if er ending verb is used for tu, then drop s also. For you have to answer this. You have this, vous écoutez les chansons de Nathalie. Suppose you have this sentence, so you will write the answer for this in comment box. You can write the answer for this in comment box. After this we go to the next part. Suppose you have this these sentences in negatives. You have one sentence, tu ne joues pas dans les jardins. You don't play in the garden. So you have to say don't play in the garden. What we will do, first we will drop tu, then we copy the sentence as it is, tu ne joues. Here we have to check this verb jouer is er ending verb and we are writing it for tu, so we will drop s also. So, tu ne joues pas dans les jardins, exclamation mark, which is a must. Like this we can do. And we have another sentence, vous n'allez pas au cinéma. You do not go to the cinema. You don't go to the cinema. We have to say don't go to the cinema. So remove vous, then copy the sentence as it is, and we don't have to do anything else. Just write sentence as it is. See how easy this topic is. It comes in exam, not only in 8th class. It comes till 10th. So it is always useful in CBSE board and ISG board and all the boards whenever the grammar questions are coming. And suppose you have pronominal verbs, reflexive verbs and imperatives, then what to do, how to do. Okay, so reflexive verbs, pronominal verbs are having reflexive pronouns like मैं, ta, se, nu, vous, se with them, as you already know. But what will happen, suppose you are writing ta here, te you have. So when you are converting it, then te will change to toi and me will change to moi. It will happen here. Me will change to moi, te will change to toi. Let's see. And we have to do the reverse, like inversion of this reflexive pronoun and the verb. We will inverse it, we will reverse it, and we will connect with a dash or a hyphen. You can see it here, I put it here. We will put a little dash. So let's see how we can do. First example, we have tu t'amuses bien avec tes amis. Tu t'amuses bien avec tes amis. You enjoy very well with your friends. You have fun with your friends. So we have to convert it and we have to write like have fun with your friends. So rule number 1, first remove subject pronoun. We have removed successfully. And the verb is reflexive, as we can see. So we have to check, it is T apostrophe here. This is TE. This is what? This is TE. Now what to do? Check the verb is here. It is amuse. S'amuse is the verb, so it is ER ending verb. Now write amuse and drop S. As we have to connect it with a hyphen, and to, which is the here, it will change to toi. Amuse toi viens avec tes amis. If anything is there that you don't get, just watch the video again, and I try to cover up in a whole video, so it's not that big, but it might be a bit longer. But you can do it, and I'm giving some practice questions also. After this, still you have any doubt, you can leave your question, doubts, anything in the comment box. I will definitely answer that by the next video. And in case you want any other topic, just let me know. I'll prepare a video on that too. If you need notes of any topic, be it be from class 6 to class 10 CBSE IG, if you need any kind of notes, study material for French, then we have created one Telegram channel that you can join, and no one will come to know who has joined, who is there in the group, and no one can access your contacts. You can be there, and you can watch the videos, the content, the practice questions also we upload there. So you can take the advantage of that thing that we have created, and you can share that with friends also. Maybe someone need that. Okay, come back to this second question. Vous ne vous lavez pas. So just remove vous, then write ne. Here, as we have the reflexive pronoun here, vous, what will happen? Suppose if you are having negative sentence, so we will not do the inversion of the reflexive pronoun and the verb here. We will write it as it is in negative. In affirmative we were doing, but in negative we are not doing what? Inversion we are not doing. We will write it as it is. Vous ne vous lavez pas to. Okay. Suppose you have here one more sentence, tu ne t'habille pas. What is the verb here? S'habiller. Whenever you are solving questions in the exam also, you can write the verb and everything. As I always say, like you have some part there, so there you can do your rough work. Always do that. Write ne here. Here we have T. According to the rule, T should go there and it should change to toi. But as it is negative sentence, so it will not change. We can write it like this. As the verb is ending with ER, so we will not write S. Okay. Tu ne t'habille pas to. I want to check how many of you have understood it very well. So you can answer this question. I will come to know. I'll check it. Here, this we have done. For the regular verbs, we can easily frame sentences like this. But what happens if some exceptional verbs are there? Like, as you already know, French is full of exceptions. Okay, a lot of exceptions are there. So for Atua, you have one more question here, and the other one which was there. These two you can do. Here we have got one sentence. Tu me parle. Like in reflexive verb, we have je, me, or any verb. So we cannot make imperatives with je. But me might be there. May might be there. So may will change to moi. How it will come? It will not come in reflexive. It can be there as an object. Okay. Like we are using it for the object which is me here. It is coming like tu me parle. You talk to me. You talk to me. So drop tu. Then you have er ending verb. Write PARLE. And may will change to moi. So it's not reflexive here. I'm saying again, it's not reflexive verb here, but it becomes like speak to me, like this. Okay. The most important part of the topic is there are only 4 verbs which are exceptional here, like avoir, être, savoir, vouloir. You can pause the video and you can read it. Okay, you can go through it. So let's have it. Ayez, ayons, ayez, sois, soyons, soyez, sache, sachons, sachez, veuillez, veillons, veillez. These 4 verbs are there. For tu, nous, vous, these forms are there. How are we going to use it? How it will help us? Let's see. Suppose you get one sentence, tu as du courage. Okay, the simplest method is that you drop the subject pronoun and you copy the sentence. Okay, this we were doing, but here we will not do this. We have to check what is this verb. If this verb is coming out of these 4, suppose AS is avoir verb, it is coming out of these it is here. So now we have to check what is the subject tu. For tu, avoir is going like a, so we will write a, we will not copy it from here. A du courage, be courageous, you are courageous, be courageous. Okay, it will be like this. You have one more sentence, vous savez la vérité, you know the truth, you know the truth. Okay, so know the truth we have to say. Savez, we have to check which verb it is savoir. So only 4 verbs are there that you have to check. For the other verbs you can just copy the sentence as it is, as we were doing. Savoir, savoir is coming here. What is the subject pronoun? Vous, vous is here, so write it from here. So this you have to learn. Sachez la vérité, sachez la vérité, like this we can do. Now you have one sentence, tu es intelligent, you are intelligent. You have to say be intelligent. You will do it your own, you will leave the answer in the comment box. Okay, so I try to cover up everything in the video, and always I'm using the language which is very simple so that everyone can understand it. And there is one more thing, like we have a group, you can search it on Telegram, or like I can drop the link in the comment box. You can just click the link and you can join it, and you can share it with your friends. And I would appreciate this if you could subscribe the channel or could share it with your friends and like the video, so that it will also motivate me in order to make more videos for you. And believe me, if you stay in contact with me with the videos only, then I'll not let you feel this you will need any tuitions or you have to pay fee for French. No, I will provide each and everything, any topic, any important rule, whatever it is, you just let me know. I am there to explain. And after a couple of videos I will be going live also, so that you all can join it. I'll start it around 8 p.m. Whenever you need, you have any doubts, you can always ask, and we'll try our best. Okay, so thank you. Just share the video and leave some comments. Thank you very much. If you have any questions and any query, just drop a message. Thank you.